Eating enough fiber prevents cancer. Yes, the inclusion of fiber in the diet has been linked to a variety of health perks. The body needs this essential nutrient to keep digestion running smoothly and maintain steady blood sugar levels. Most experts recommend at least 25 grams of fiber per day for women and 38 grams for men. A recent study in Nature Metabolism shows that fiber may also leave a mark on our genes. Ultimately, dietary fiber travels to the large intestine, where friendly bacteria feast on it. This feast produces short-chain fatty acids. Researchers have been eager to see whether these acids from fibers impact genes beyond just basic energy production. Stanford Asherman, professor of genetics at Stanford University, has shed more light on it through a study. His team traced the biological footprints of short-chain fatty acids in both normal cells and cancer cells. The aim was to see how these acids might switch genes on or off in ways that influence the growth and survival of cells. Short-chain fatty acids are generated when gut microbes break down fiber. They move into the bloodstream and can reach different tissues of the body. Quote, "We found a direct link between eating fiber and modulation of gene function that has anti-cancer effects," said Snyder. Instead of simply describing fiber's link to good health, the researchers pinpointed the exact molecular changes behind those benefits. Fascinating. Now, cancer often begins when cells lose their usual checks and balances. Normal cells are expected to grow, specialize, and sometimes self-destruct if there's a problem. When those processes go haywire, mutated cells can survive too long or multiply too fast. The study uncovered how certain chemical markers on genes for cell regulation might switch in a protective way when these short-chain fatty acids are around. It is generally the case that people's diets are very poor in fiber, so adjusting meal plans to include foods like beans, nuts, vegetables, or avocados may promote the production of more of these acids, potentially offering some defense against abnormal cell growth. Colon cancer is a concern for many adults. The American Cancer Society estimates that about 1 in 23 men and 1 in 25 women will be diagnosed with colon cancer at some point in their lifetime. This new study provides a window into how the byproducts of fiber breakdown might influence gene behavior in the colon and possibly other tissues in a helpful way. So by identifying the gene targets of these important molecules, we can understand how fiber exerts its beneficial effects. The researchers highlight the importance of diet as a modulator of gene signals. It also emphasizes potential opportunities for personalized strategies that combine better eating habits with therapies aimed at correcting harmful gene activity. Many clinicians and nutritionists see fiber as a key feature of a balanced diet, and these findings may promote more specific guidelines on how much and which types of fiber are most valuable for long-term health. All signs suggest that fiber is more than just a helper for digestion. These insights about short-chain fatty acids may prompt further collaboration between nutrition science and genetics. By paying attention to what our microbes need, we may discover fresh paths to protect ourselves from harm.